Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling。And this month we're talking about food. 但是已经饿了好久了，我们不要再讲食物了，好不好？我们就讲跟食物有关的一些宴会。
去给人家请客。
对，你怎么知道？There's a lot of ceremonies here in Taiwan that has to do with food, but let's not talk about food because I'm going to get too hungry. So first off.For instance, 明天要去吃喜酒 I'm going to go to a wedding banquet tomorrow.
天公日
天公日 that means tomorrow.
愛去食酒
愛去食酒 食酒聽起來好像就是要去喝酒而已啊。
就喝喜酒咯。
愛去食酒 Alright, that means tomorrow I'm going to go to a wedding banquet.
明天海陸腔叫燒酒。
A different dialect of tomorrow sounds so different. 你確定是明天嗎？不是後天哈？
不是，燒酒。
燒酒
就是明天。
OK， 海陸是燒酒，那四縣是
天公日。
天公日 OK, that's so different for tomorrow. Or maybe I'm going to a spring wine party. 可能要去喝春酒。存酒要把酒存起来，到春天再喝存酒。Okay, that's spring wine banquet, or just merely the year-end banquet. 也就是尾牙。
米雅酒
that's the year-end banquet. All right. For moms out there, 尤其是做了母亲的各位听众们呢，你们一定有经过所谓的要吃满月酒，对不对？ Here in Taiwan, there's a celebration that takes place when a child is born after a month. There is a 1-month anniversary banquet. Let's say you're going to one of these 1-month anniversary banquets, okay? 下个月要请你们吃满月酒 okay?
哈长夜
that means next month.
搶年豆是滿月酒，
是滿月酒 OK， 這滿月酒就是滿月酒在這裡呢，大家都喜歡拜拜 OK， 拜拜也會帶很多吃的東西來嘛，對不對？Here in Taiwan, they do a lot of praying ceremonies, okay? 所以比如下個禮拜 next week, our village is going to have a praying ceremony. 我們的村子有大拜拜。
哈雜禮拜
that means next week.
愛豆亞村
that means our village.
有娘鬧熱對，
是鬧熱就是熱鬧的意思。
對。
Okay, it means a lot of crowds, you know. Basically, when they say praying ceremony, they're going to invite a lot of people. 有娘鬧熱 There you have it. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼太嘎？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.